So, good night, everyone. I am the daughter of the so-called estranged Trini mom that went wild and posted a video of her beating her 12-year-old daughter on Facebook. And first of all, I'd like to say that this was a complete last resort for my mom, because that 12-year-old girl, my sister, has been putting my mom through a lot of drama every day, probably in school, since primary school, right? And my mom has spoken to her on many occasions, and nothing was working. Everyone in comments here suggesting that mom should take away phone and ground her and all of that, and truth is, mom tried all of that. She did, and nothing was working. Nothing worked, because you'll take away the phone, it's the same thing. She going to school, she have to travel, okay? Nothing worked. And as for the people that ask why she is on Facebook, she was on Facebook because she was not living with us, and Facebook was a way of her to communicate with my mom and I while she was living with her grandmom, right? Because of school. And if my mom looked at it this way: if she did not put her on Facebook, where she could be her friend on Facebook, my sister would have joined Facebook anyway without our permission. She would not have had us as friends, and we would not have been seeing her posts of pictures and status and all those kind of stuff that she was doing, right? We would not have seen. So it was better that way, right? Now my mom is very sorry for what, not for what she did, but for what happened with the video, seeing that it went all viral and everybody is talking about it. But she did do it because Facebook is where my sister had her so-called fame and ranks and ratings, and she knew that this would have stopped it. It would have put a curb to it, because the road my sister was headed down was teenage pregnancy, okay? Her conversation with boys on phone and on Facebook, the picture she posted in her panty, right? All of that is going down the road of teenage pregnancy, and my mom saw this as a way to put a curb to it. And we cannot judge her for that, because no parent wants that for their child. None, right? And if she sees this as a way she could have put a way to stop it, we should not judge her for that, because that is how she stopped it. Because I'm pretty sure 5 years down the road my sister is not going to bring home a belly anymore. Before, I could not have said that. She learned her lesson, because she is seeing it for herself. She learned her lesson, right? And my mom is not a bad mother. She doesn't frequently curse us, abuse us, and whatever people are saying, right? She is one of the best mothers in the world, and she loves us dearly. She would go to the ends of the earth for us. And this was, I would say, this was love, because any parent that didn't love their child would have left them to do it. This was love, right? And we posting a video because you guys are putting a lot of stress on our family. You're putting us through a lot, okay? This video was just to let my sister learn her lesson and be done with it. The people are saying that this can cause psychological effects or whatever, you guys are contributing to that, because you are sharing it. Continue sharing the video or whatever. this is not going to do anything to her because she learned her lesson. Okay, she learned it. I'm pretty sure she's not going to be on Facebook till she's 65, right? So that was the reason for posting this video. We just like to let you know that our mom is not always like this, and she saw this as doing the best that she could do as a single mother of 4 children, doing it on her own, right? There's no male figure in our lives to speak to us or help her. She's doing it on her own, and if this is how she saw it fit to deal with the situation, we as her children fully support her, right? And she did not put us up to this. She is in her bedroom sleeping, crying, praying, everything, because this is not what she wanted, to get Facebook fame or whatever. She was honestly trying to teach her daughter a lesson, and I learned my lesson. My sister, my both sisters learned my lesson. I'm sure my baby brother learned his lesson. Right? And this is a wake-up call to all children on Facebook. Be careful what you're posting on Facebook, right? Have respect and dignity with your post, and that is my part to play, and I'll let my sister say what she has to say.
Okay, to my mom, who I know will see this video after, I'm very sorry for the shame that I brought to you and your family, and I'm positively sure in a way this will never happen again, right? I know you love me dearly, and I love you dearly too. And to all the young girls that watching this or saw the video with the links, note that it is not because my mom wants me to be all crazy and psyched up. You watch this video and you learn from it. You make your life better from this video. Try not to do the mistakes that I made, because trust me, nobody likes getting licks, okay? And embarrassment. You'll try to do it for the fame, just to fit in, but realize that you are a special piece of God puzzle, and you will fit in somewhere, somehow, okay? And I would never kill myself, okay? But I love myself too much to kill myself.
So good night to everyone, and thank you for watching our video, and we really hope that we touched your lives in somehow, and you learned we learned from this, and we hope that you learned from it also. So thanks for watching.